This week on the Digging Dudes.
Hi.
Hi. What's up, everybody?
Booyah!
I'm here with super sexy Steph. Metal detecting a nice big field. We are sweating our butts off, but we are finding treasure. So stick around. Booyah.
Booyah!
So amid all that junk, you found a penny. Told ya. You had a little sniper coil on. It's a penny? What does it look like? Size of? Did you really find that here?
Yeah, beside a nail.
Yeah, of course, beside a nail. We've been walking this whole area. This is the place exactly where I was hoping you would go.
C'est quoi?
Wow. Huh. I'm almost speechless here. Well, she says a penny. Well, you're right. So you can see by the thickness here, okay, that it's more than likely not a large cent, which puts it in the token range or the British coin range. And I believe that is going to be a dragon slayer. Let's see. Lower Canada token. I think that's the horse's head right there. See that?
No.
No? Okay. All right, well, that's fantastic. It's a Lower Canada token, which is really old, which is great. It's going to be like 1830s. Now your new oldest coin, baby. Yeah, that'll clean up nice. That's great. Well, I'm glad you stuck around this area.
I found the nail first.
Yeah.
I got up, but I grabbed this and went back, and I was like, there's something else. Then I see
You
it.
checked your hole.
Yeah.
Told you to check your holes.
Check my hole.
Heck yeah, we check our holes around here. Hole checker. Good job. That's fantastic. Yeah, you can see it right there.
Oh, what beautiful.
Yeah. It's a half penny. It's not a full penny. And it is a dragon slayer. I know just by what's there. I can tell. It'll clean up better like this than at home with my toothpick. But fantastic job. Gorgeous. Way to go. Nope, it's a coin. Yeah, that's cool. That one's alive. We got that one right on camera.
I know.
Our note. Yeah, this one probably. Oh. Wow.
It's green.
This is not something I normally get, babe.
What?
Huh. Wow. 2 coins right in this section. Glad I came back to join you. Way to go on your dragon slayer. You know how many people wait years to find a dragon slayer?
What do you mean?
Would you fist bump me or just gonna leave me hanging here all day long? Boom.
I thought you were going to show me something.
Oh, you thought I had something in my hand. No, that was the coin you got the first coin there was a dragon slayer. People wait a lifetime to find that thing. It's unique. I think this is a British coin. I am going to be able to get some writing off the side there. I can see it. There's some writing along the edge. This one too, so as long as I clean it up. Wow. Slow morning. Took a little bit, but finally we found the site. The fly hounding you. Alright, so I'm going to try to clean that up a little bit more, but I do believe that says George. So it looks like King George. It's either the second or the third. So I think he's facing right. So King George the third. So it's a King George the third penny. So I have found some, but I don't know if with this design. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera or not, but it does say George right there. And that's the back end of his head. He's got like a little bow. I know, because he had long hair, right?
I can't see that.
Why?
How can you see that?
Oh, I just know what it looks like.
Okay.
A little bow right there.
Oh yeah, now I see it.
Yeah.
Georgie.
Georgie! KG3, King George III. Check that piece of pottery out, guys. It's pink. You don't find pink pottery often. The blue is the Victorian era style, and the other colors usually are a little bit before that. So that's awesome. Oh, part of a cap gun. I'm pretty sure that's what that was from. Pretty sure that's what I heard. Yep. Cool. We are done another day of digging. Did you have fun today, Steffi?
Yep.
Was it hot?
Yes.
Cool. Congratulations. You found. You were sweating. We were both sweating. But it was a beautiful day to be outside. We got a lot of cool relics. Mainly a lot of these square nails that we had to fight to get anything good out of. But Steffi did pretty damn good here with her first Dragon Slayer. This I'm pretty sure is a KG3, King George III. I'll double check that after. Beautiful clay or pottery. And then of course the piece from the cap gun. Some random things that were just laying on the surface there. Always a good sign, folks. Another fantastic day. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time.